Hey guys, it's Today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial. I've been in the mood to do a yellow eye look, so I just decided to go for it. Also, I painted this really cute yellow sign, so I just decided to hang it up in honor of this video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial very similar to how Annika Osterlund does hers. I love her tutorials. I think they're the cutest. So she just does her video and then does a little voiceover explaining what she does. And so I wanted to try that out. So I'm going to stop blabbing and just get on with the video. Welcome to the little voiceover portion of the video. So I started with my ColourPop Brow Boss pencil and just filled in my brows lightly, and then I spoolie them to blend them all out. And then I used the ColourPop Brow Boss clear gel and just shaped my eyebrows the way I wanted them to look. And so I could move on to foundation, which you can't see, but it was the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And then next, I set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I used this bronzer from a Ulta palette and a blush from Milani. So I first took my James Charles palette and I used that like yellowish transition shade in the center. I tried to zoom in on it because I literally suck at zooming in on this video, and I just used a big fluffy blending brush to try to blend this back and forth into my crease to have a nice transition shade. Next, I grabbed my Morphe 35B palette and I used the yellow in this palette, and I also used like a slightly yellowish orange color, and I focused that more in the crease just to give it more dimension than just all being yellow. And then I also used my ColourPop Take Me Home palette, and there's like this bright golden shade, and I put that on my lid after I cut my crease, and I just used my finger to apply it because that was the easiest way. And then I pretty much used the highlight from the James Charles palette, put on some BTS mascara, and put on some lip gloss from ColourPop, and I'm finished. So I am done with this cute little makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go take a picture for the thumbnail and do the voiceover and edit it, and I hope to get this up soon. It is Monday, March 25th, and it's 7:30, so I'm going to try to get this edited and then possibly uploaded in an hour and a half, but we'll see if that actually happens. Anyways, that is it for this video. I'm so sorry I haven't posted in a while. Competition season in school has been crazy, but competition season is over and school is settling down a little bit, so I promise I will have more videos coming at you guys soon. I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!